This is Noah with MacMulkin Chevrolet. Today I'm going to show you how to put on a plate bracket. What you're going to need is a pry bar tool. You're going to need a Phillips head hex for your drill or screwdriver and a 7mm socket. What you're going to do is we're going to take the pry bar and we're going to come up right here. There's a little slot. We're going to stick the pry tool in that slot and we're going to push. We're going to pull it out. So you preferably want your pry tool to be plastic to prevent you scratching the paint. So then we're going to get your plate bracket here. There's two slots in the bottom. It's going to line up with these two slots right here. It's just going to slide on in. Once it's in, secure it in place. Do that, you'll have your supplied hardware. These little pieces right here are going to push in to your plate bracket. Actually, they're going to go underneath here. Slide in. And these are going to allow your 7mm bolts to screw in. So let's put that plate bracket back on. Alright. Let's get our 7mm on here. Your plate bracket's on.